So I'm at my local grocery store today, and they've come up with this new wonderful smart cart. And basically you go around, collect your groceries, put it right on the screen, scan it as you pick them up, and then you pay for it, and you can just leave, and you don't have to go into any lines whatsoever. We're gonna give it a go. Here we are in the pet food aisle. Here we are. There's some puppy, fresh pet tender chicken. Chicken. What do we got here? Chicken recipe. Oh, here we go. Chunky beef. 125.22. Good date on that. Okay. So we'll get that. Now we just scan it. And that's it. Put it in there. Considers it weighed. And that's it. And we're ready to check it out. So we'll go do this. That's all we want. So okay, yeah, so this unit is pretty cool. It's called the Smart Cart, and it's got like a camera and sensors up front, so it knows the weight of the cart as you add stuff to it. Pretty sweet. Now, the only thing I would say is watch it when you're on your scanner, because you could actually scan something as you move along, so it's hard to say, like, okay, it just caught something. We didn't have that item, so whatever. I don't know if it's just a little bug or something, but it looks pretty cool. And we're going to pay for that now, and then we can go. Let's see if we can do this and pay now. Yeah, so that was Sobey's new smart cart system. And I just mentioned to the girl, well, you know, there was a few little quirks in it. Maybe it's in the software or something. As it goes around the corner, it kind of looks for another item, saying that the weight is shifted or something. But I mean, it notifies you, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to charge you extra or anything like that. But I mean, it's pretty sweet. Just pay when you're ready, and just wheel it out to your car, and the whole system resets when everything comes out. And yeah, it's pretty neat. No lineup. There's about a 5-10 minute wait in every lineup in there today, even the the self checkout. But with these smart carts, away you go. No lineup whatsoever. I'm actually pissing away more time doing this video than I could be up halfway home. So it's pretty sweet. Use them. They're awesome. I'll be using them. Talk to you later.